Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Caddy Cargo ED TDI with 102 horsepower. The sufficient workhorse has a 2-litre engine and only 74937 kilometres on the clock, packed with features like Bluetooth, MP3 connection and remote audio controls. This versatile van ensures a comfortable and safe driving experience. The Caddy also boasts multiple airbags, traction control and anti-collision systems for added security. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer-spec servicing and a comprehensive warranty, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this incredible Volkswagen Caddy.